Welcome back to Bike Review Hub, where we dive into the latest in the world of high-end vehicles and two-wheeled machines. Today, we're shifting gears literally and taking a closer look at the 2025 Range Rover SV, a luxury SUV that blurs the line between rugged capability and elite refinement. Design and exterior. The 2025 Range Rover SV is a masterpiece in minimalist design. With a sleek, sculpted body, flush door handles, and a refined front grille, it exudes understated elegance. The SV trim sets itself apart with exclusive 23-inch wheels, a unique front bumper, and subtle SV badging. It's built to make a statement without shouting. Interior and features. Step inside, and it's like entering a private jet on wheels. The SV edition offers semi-aniline leather or sustainable ultra fabrics for an eco-luxury feel. The rear executive seating package includes power-closing doors, massage seats, and a chilled center console. A 13.1-inch rear entertainment display and 35-speaker Meridian signature sound system wrap you in comfort and tech, performance and power. Under the hood, the SV doesn't disappoint. It comes with a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, producing a muscular 606 horsepower. Paired with Range Rover's intelligent all-wheel drive and air suspension, this beast can glide over potholes or dominate off-road terrain without breaking a sweat. Its performance meets prestige, technology, and safety. Tech-wise, the SV is loaded. The Pivi Pro infotainment system is sharper and more responsive than ever. You also get over-the-air updates, a 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control, and advanced driver assistance features that make every journey smoother and safer, whether you're cruising the city or tackling the trails. Price and verdict. All this luxury doesn't come cheap. The 2025 Range Rover SV starts around $210,000, and with custom options, it can go much higher. But if you're looking for the pinnacle of SUV luxury with performance to match, the SV delivers on all fronts. Outro. So, is the 2025 Range Rover SV worth the price tag? For those who demand luxury, tech, and off-road prowess in one flawless package, the answer is a definite yes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more luxury rides and bike reviews here on Bike Review Hub. See you in the next one.